Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Channel name is Munib Horticulturist. Today the topic of discussion regarding horticulture is green net. In my hand you can see, on the back you can see, this is green net. This is made up of fabric. This is not a cloth. This is non-corrosive, non-magnetic and 100% alkaline resistant. It has two main categories: shading net for horticulture purpose, second shading net for parking purpose. If we will focus on horticulture, we can see it has three main shading capabilities: 50%, 60% and 70% shading capabilities. If it has 50% shading capability, you can use it for plants and trees. If it has 60% shading capability, you can use it for indoor plants. If it has 70% shading capability, you can use it for saplings and seedlings. It has many features, many uses. First of all, the features: it is porous, it is cheap, it is available at any point. Its life is great. If you will use it, its life is 5 to 7 years. And if you want to store it in store, you can keep it for 8 to 10 years and then you can utilize it. And the main property, the main feature is it has lock stitch designing. It has many stitches but locked. Mean that if you will cut it from any of the point, it wouldn't be open. If you will make a hole in it, this hole wouldn't be bigger than that, and the hole would retain its size. Just because of that, it has lock stitching, and this has a great value. Now the uses: it can be used for agricultural purposes, it can be used for horticulture purposes, it can be used for nurseries, it can be used for moderating the temperature and for moderating the relative humidity. It can be used for cordon of horticulture work. It can be used for wrap up the plants against frost damage and against fog damage. It can be used for wind breaks because it reduces the wind velocity. So these great features and great uses in horticulture, we will consider that we must have to keep it in our stores and we can use it gradually as per the requirement of site. Next, I'll come with the new topic regarding horticulture. Till then, stay safe, keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.